In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your PayPal phone number. Maybe you've changed your number, or you just want to clean up old contact details. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can remove a phone number from your PayPal account quickly and safely. First, log into your PayPal account using your usual details. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might look like a little person icon, your initials, or your profile picture, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option that says Profile Settings or something very similar. This is where you control most of the personal information linked to your account. After you're in your profile settings, PayPal will show you a few different sections or tabs. Make sure you're on the Login and Security tab. If you're not already there by default, just click on it. This area handles things like your password, email addresses, and of course, phone numbers. Now, scroll through the options until you find the row labeled Phone or Phone Numbers. On the right-hand side of that row, you'll see a button that says Update. Go ahead and click that. This will open a page that lists all the phone numbers currently connected to your PayPal account. Here, you'll see each phone number along with its type, like mobile or home, and possibly which one is set as primary. Take a moment to double check that you're looking at the correct number you want to remove, especially if you have more than one listed. When you found the phone number you'd like to delete, look to the right side of that specific number. You should see a small More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click on that icon. A small menu will appear with different actions you can take. From that menu, select Remove. PayPal may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this number, especially if it's used for security or verification. Confirm the removal, and once you do, that phone number will be deleted from your account. And that's it. You've successfully removed a phone number from your PayPal account.